Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have got a super quick and easy way to freshen up the look in your home.
These Phantoscope pillow covers make it so easy to totally change up the look in your home. They come in a pack of two, which is perfect for decorative pillows. I think they are so unique looking. I love the detail along the edge here. I think it's beautiful. The burlap kind of look to the fabric is really unique, really pretty. They're super neutral and easy to go with so many different decors. And of course, being a pillow cover, it is so easy to just toss over an existing pillow. So why buy a whole new pillow when you can just totally change up the look using these pillow covers? I think it's such a clever way to use what you have, and instantly you have a really elegant look, and it's the perfect accent to existing pillows, to a chair, wherever you want to use it. I think it's going to look really, really pretty.
I highly recommend checking out these pillow covers. I think that they are super fun and such an easy way to change up the look in your living room or wherever you're using them. But that's just my point of view.